Impose roll. Pose starter. 1, 2, 3.
Guys, I am having cold and cough right now. So if you guys could tell me what medicine should I take, I will be very happy. Russell, if they don't tell me what medicine should I take, then let's stop making videos, okay? Good boy, Russell. So for lunch, I'm gonna have my regular noodle, milk, and 3 eggs. Whoa! Food! Oh my god! I need your opinion real quick, okay? So Valentine's Day is coming up, right? February 14 next month. So for Valentine's Day, should I get a girl or should I simply work out at the gym? I can't really decide, man. Means I'm starting to enjoy being single, okay? So if you could tell me your tips or like if you could give me any advice, that would really help me, okay? So I'm gonna count you on that one. I don't drink, I don't smoke, I'm free from all tobacco products because I love myself too much. I'm single, I love myself, and right now also I'm gonna work out for my health, man. I love myself, man. My biggest life advice that I could give to you guys is stay single, love yourself, dude. Okay, see you at the gym, bruh. Alright guys, so I'm on my way home. The camera might not be steady. So today I was feeling a little bit sick because of my cold. But anyway, I had a good back workout, pull day deadlift session, bro. So like, the body achieves what the mind believes in. So that was my principle today. So I went in and killed in the workout. So I'm gonna get home and eat some food, bro.